This conference will now be recorded.
Good evening, all. Am I audible? So use the chat box and you type as yes if I am audible, then I can continue the class. Okay, so before I start off this digital marketing, I'll take one scenario. Okay, so just like uh, imagine you have invested rupees 50 lakhs and opened a beautiful restaurant. Now the question is, you have inside this restaurant you have a great food and you have a AC dining, then you have excellent chef, then prime location, so everything is good. But now I'll ask one question. Suppose it's a very important one. If nobody knows about your restaurant, so will you get customer? So type your answer in the chat box. Good. So what would be the reason? It means why? So nobody knows, no promotion, no advertisements. Correct, right? First of all, nobody knows, and they have not done any promotion. They have not done any advertisements. But even though if they have prime location, good, excellent service, infrastructure, everything's, if you have, but people not able to reach your business or your restaurant is not able to grab the customers. The reason, as I said, one is nobody knows. Because why it is nobody knows? Because they have not conducted any promotional activities, they have not done any advertisements. So you assume like you are going to start one business. If you not done any promotional activities or advertisement activities, nobody will visit your business or your company. So in this case, what is required? Marketing is required. If I want to do advertisements and promotions, what is required? Marketing is required. Now the question is, sir, exactly what is the meaning of our definitions of marketing? So here, making the people aware, okay, and you are creating interest, and important thing is building trust. Trust is important, correct, right? And also helping customers make buying decisions. and also maintaining long-term relationship. This is a simple practical way of marketing. So tomorrow I don't want like a book definitions. So the book definitions is different and the practical is different. So here whatever I've written, it's a practical oriented. So whenever you are trying to make a marketing here, people know about your product, you are going to creating an interest and you are building the trust among the people and helping your customers to buy your product and services, and they'll take the decision immediately, and you have to maintain the long term relationship. This is called as marketing in a simple way. Sir, what about the definition part? So the definition part, marketing is the process of identifying customers. You have so many customers, but you have to identify who is your customers. Identifying your customers that needs and satisfying them profitability. This is called as definitions. Suppose identifying needs. So when if I did not identify the needs, people feels hungry. Okay, then they need a food. Then restaurant will solve the problem, or restaurant is going to give the services for them. So in that case, our things are going to work. Then, sir, how do I create a value for this now? We have so many restaurants like some of the competitors, right? So here I have to create a value now. Now the question is, as I said, here you have so many restaurants and they sell the food. So why do customers visit one specific restaurant? This is a great thing. So there will be so many reasons. One is because of taste and quality and price, then service, then ambience. So marketing communicates these values. Then obviously people will visit your restaurant. Got it? So why do customers visit one specific restaurant? The main points. This is called as value. So next thing is, sir, what about that building trust? Practically, if I want to talk, imagine, would you order for food from restaurant uh, within 1 star rating? So please answer your so please give me your answer. Have you been ordered for 1 star rating? Good. So what would be the reason? Because the review influences the trust. It's a very simple. So when people not understand or not able to trust, so they'll go for, especially in online, they will be having a reviews. So that reviews influence the trust. So marketing build the trust through reviews. Reviews. Next one is testimonials. Next one is branding. Next one is social proof. So this is makes you to purchase. This is makes you to visit any one of the business. It might be a product oriented. It might be a service oriented. Okay, because of marketing. So your marketing team has to take care of all your values and building trust, and it has to communicate with these values. Then automatically customer will visit. So important, as I said. So we have to build the trust. Once if you build the trust, then it works. Sir, then how do I do this? So what is a marketing formula? Just to, if I want to talk practically, what is a marketing formula? First you have to start to search the people. Okay, then you have to go for problems, you have to understand them. Okay, then you have to give solution. Then you have to give offer for them. Okay, then you have to sell. So sale has to be happen. Then you have to maintain the relationship. So when you maintain the relationship, then again it repeats business. So just it's a simple example of the formula, marketing formula. People who needs the product, like students, professionals, parents, businesses, right? So these are all comes under this category. For example, if I take everybody, purchase begins with the problem, correct? For example, need to mm, lost that weight, then need to have a computer training, need to have accounting software, need to have hospital treatment, then need to have a digital marketing skills. So here you have, so every purchase begins with a problem. This is the one important thing. First we have to understand why students are coming, then why people are searching. So what type of people are searching here in the market, then what is the solution. So are you, whatever business are you running, is that able to solve their problem or not, that you have to check. So first you have to check what is the problem. And like here people, as I said, I'll be taking the practically. So people like students, then you have a professionals, then you have a parents, then you have a business. Then if I talk about problems, in the problems list, every purchase happens, as I said, or begins with a problem. Example, need to lose or lose weight. Then need computer training, correct? So something like that. Then sir, what about solution? So solutions like your business, whatever business are you running, so this is your product solves the problem. Then sir, what about offer now? So it offers like a discount, then free demo, then free trial, then bonus, then EMI, then certification, then placement, these are comes under offer. Then finally, if they are interested, they'll go for sale. So customer finally purchases. So once they purchases, we have to maintain the relationship. So it means whenever customers purchases, once if you start deliver your product and services, you have to support them, and you have to just like WhatsApp and email. Okay, then you give offers and you ask for the feedback and you repeat purchase and ask for a referral. So something like this. Then finally it works. It's going to repeat. So just it is a marketing formula now. Sir, how it happens in the real time now in the online? For example, I'm going to take one real example. I need a laptop. So what I will do, I'll go and search in the Google, correct? Or whenever you search in the Google, you can check in the YouTube reviews, then check the compare price. Whenever you comparing the prices, and you go for Amazon reviews. Okay, in that reviews, then you can visit store nearby your location. Then finally you will be purchasing, then you will be asking for rate of the product, then asking for recommended friends to friends also. Is it correct? So now here, did market influence only the sales? Please give me your answer in the chat box. Did that market influence only the sales? So the right answer is market influence every stage. Marketing influenced every stage. So this is what the power of marketing. Now if I want to talk about that old strategies, like which is called as traditional marketing, like TV advertisements, newspapers, billboards, okay, then radios, then bus ads, still you can see in the BMTC, then shop ads or shop boards, I can name that as shop boards, and I can go for one more like a pamphlets. So something like this, these categories are called as traditional marketing. What advertisements did you see among this? Please get me the answers in the chat box. So what advertisements till today you have seen in this digital marketing, and tomorrow if you go for outside, so even you can see some of this, one of this area. if I go for digital marketing, right? So digital marketing, so not like this. We will be having website, then some of the just comparison, YouTube, then podcast, okay, then email, then Facebook ads, then Google ads, then WhatsApp. So something like this. Sir, just you give me a comparison now. So comparison, like if I take a newspaper, so newspaper here it works like a website. Just it is an example. It's not a real time one. So TV, YouTube, okay, then radio. So in the digital marketing platform, it's a podcast, okay. Then pamphlet, it's like a email, okay. Then if I take a banner, you can go for Facebook ads, okay. And one more, what I can take, hoardings, like a Google ads, then cold calling, like a WhatsApp. Just it is a comparison between traditional and digital. For example, if I take a newspaper, okay, so in the newspaper there will be a two ways, like a local and regional. So the advantages is what, and the disadvantages, advantages is one of the trust, and disadvantages is cannot measure that exactly who saw it. But now again, if I go for TV, so TV there will be a huge reach, but it's very expensive. So there is no precise target. This is one of the disadvantage. If I go for radio, then this is useful for local promotions, no visuals. Now if I go for one more, like a posters and hoardings, it's a good for brand visibility, but limited geographical reach. If I go for one more, like a pamphlet, it's a low cost, but it is ignoring people. So people are ignoring and also discarding. If I go for cold calling, direct communication, like time consuming, and also people not able to answer sometimes. So this just it is a example why you have to shift, means why the business is going to uh, run for digital marketing. The main reasons to shift to your business activities into digital platform. So I'll come to discuss one by one. So number one, here the just a small comparison cost wise. The cost wise for traditional marketing is too high, and reaching is limited, okay. People, I cannot able to target my customers, it's a limited customers. And targeting the broad range, it's not possible, okay. And result wise, it is difficulty to measure, and return of investment, it is hard to calculate. So just it is like that. Suppose, imagine one more like example, if you had a 10,000s to promote our business today, so would you spend it on the newspaper ads or online advertisements? So use the chat box and just you give me the answers. If you had a 10,000 rupees to promote your business today, would you spend it on the newspaper ads or online advertisements? Then you give me the reasons. What you are going to encourage. Already I have given digital marketing. So why I have to go for invest 10,000 rupees on the digital marketing? The answer is digital marketing. Again, it's a process of promoting your product and services through digital channels. So again, it's a process and promoting product and services through digital channels. Through digital channels, you companies is going to promoting. But the question is, sir, how can I reach my right audience? Is it available the platform? Yes, you have options to reach the right audience, and you can generate leads, and you can drive the sales, and also you can build long term customer relationships using measurable data. This is the beauty of digital marketing. So imagine I wanted to promote create awareness. Product and services, like anything of value. So you have a digital marketing channels. Sir, which are the digital channels? Like Google, you have a YouTube, you have an Instagram, you have a Facebook, then you have a LinkedIn, then you have a email. These are the channels, including one of the example like website. So these are digital channels. If I talk about values, like already I spoke what is that real time values. So here, like a taste, quality, your business services, this is comes to your values. Okay, so here I'm going to take what product and services. Here is what promote. What I want to promote, I wanted to create an awareness. So to create awareness, I'll be using this channels. Sir, what about my right audience? So my right audience, not everyone. So just imagine, not everyone, only the potential customers. So you have to search only the potential customers. For example, I would like to sell SAP training or digital marketing training. Then who is our customer target audience? So target audience like customer, sorry, commerce students, then MBA students for SAP, okay, then working accountants. So something like this. So not school students. Then if I want to take admission, then what I have to do? I have to work on leads. Means I have to generate leads. So how do I generate the leads? When someone who is going to show the interest to learn about this. Okay, so it's going to lead is someone who has shown interest. Example like in the online platform in my websites, people are going to fill form contact form, and they'll be sent a WhatsApp message, correct, and they'll be called your business, and they'll be registered for a webinar. So something like this. These are going to generate the leads for us business. Is it correct? How many of you filled like this? How many of you are getting WhatsApp messages? How many of you are getting uh, registered for the webinar? Especially whenever you open a YouTube, people will ask you to register webinar, free webinar, 99 rupees, so on, so on. So it's nothing but you are going to means businesses are going to generate the leads. Whenever you are showing that some interest, you can fill that inquiry and you can ask for more details. Whenever you filled some of the details, like once it is generated the leads, then you have to go for build the relationship. Sir, how do I build the relationship now? So marketing does not stop after the sale. It's a very, very important. Then it has to continue through email, then WhatsApp updates, then loyalty programs, then reviews and customer supports. So something like this. This is actually a real time activities in the marketing area. Marketing, traditional marketing, digital marketing. Anything if you take, so the latest one is digital marketing, how the digital marketing is working. So based on the fundamental, but we have to use the technologies to understand this. Yeah, I have to, sir, still I did not understand whatever you explained me, so you explain me one more time, so in a short format. Okay, just imagine you are a customer here. So in the customer place, you are going to search in the Google. So it means Google search. So using the Google search, if you search anything, that is redirect to your website. Whenever it's redirected to website, it's connected to WhatsApp, means asking you to enter some mobile number, so on so on. Once that WhatsApp gets connected, then like counseling will get started. Counselor will make a call and they will give you some offer, like they will make you to purchase. So once the purchase is done, they'll go for training. Once the training is completed, they'll go for certificate. Yeah, once the certificate is done, then we will ask you to give reviews. Then finally, we will ask for referral, or feel that good, then you can refer the brand. So if you want to learn any digital marketing course or ethical hacking course, anything, so there will be a customers. People are searching in the Google. So sometimes advertisements make you to click. So once if you click, that will take you to website. In that website there will be a contact number. Whenever you put the messages, then counselor will call you back and they will give you some best offer. Already I told you the journey of this area, uh, the values as I told you, like you have to visit and you have to check each one of this offer make you to purchase. So just like discount, free demo, so on so on. Okay, so once the offers, if you liked, then you will be purchasing here. So once the purchase is done, then training will get started, then certificate will be issued after the exam, then asking for the review. Okay, just it is a small example how each one of the stage contributing the business growth. So please here you have to remember here, it's not only the process, it's not only the stage. Okay, so how each stage contributes contributes to the business growth. If one of the growth, if one of the stage if not working properly, not done properly, then it's a fail. It means the customers, they won't come back. Correct, right? So something like this, your real time it's happening in the digital marketing area. But now the question is, sir, we have so many digital channels, like we have website, we have SEO, we have Google ads, we have a social media, email, content, so on so on. But the thing is, you have to understand that if I have a website, so your website digitally, it's just like a digital office, is always will be working into 24 into 7. Okay, why these channels are important here? Because you don't want to open your office 24 into 7. So that's why you are keeping your one website in your business. So it's working like your digital office, and it's available for 24 into 7. Then second thing is, sir, SEO. Why SEO? It's going to helps your website appear in unpaid, I don't want to paid, unpaid Google search. Google search results. So sometimes what happen, I have to pay and I have to bring my website in the top position. So that is paid. I don't want to pay the money to the Google and my website has to come in the, means it has to take the first ranking position. In such case, SEO is going to helping you. So help your website like a digital office to get in the search result on the top position without making any payment. Sir, I want, I means today I started my business, I don't have time to to put the content to bring that in the ranking position. Okay, so then it's called as organic ads. So organic ads you have to spend time, for paid ads you have to spend money. This is the only two things is applicable. So yesterday I have started my business. Now I wanted to uh, run my advertisements. Then there will be a platform called as Google Ads. So this Google Ads runs the paid advertisements for immediate visibility. So now visibility it matters. Okay. And next thing is, sir, why should I go for social media? So social media is saying that I have to build the awareness and engagement and community. Email, it is to nurtures leads and retain customers. Next, I have one more called content marketing. Email marketing. Next one is content marketing. So content marketing is only to educate the people and educate the customers and informing your offers and product and services, and also you can build the trust. Next, I have one more called as analytics. Analytics, it measures performance. How many people clicked your website, how many people clicked on your advertisements, and user behavior. Next, we have CRM, like customer relationship management. So in that case, managing the customers is important, like a customer interactions. If I don't have a customer interactions, then again, follow-ups means retaining the customers is difficult, right? So that's why, so here we have CRM, customer relationship management. It is to interact with the customers, and sales follow-ups, I can name it as sales follow-ups. Then I will be using one more tool called as AI tool. So why AI? Could you tell me why AI in the digital marketing? So use the chat box and you type your answer. What would be that your answer here? Fatima, Shivani, Krishnan, Akshita, Jia. Why should I go for AI in this marketing? Okay. Now, artificial intelligence, it speed ups the content creations and also analysis. And also, if I want to run automation, then I have to go for AI. Means to increase your productivity, to increase the sales, then you must have a AI support. And next one is remarketing. In place of remarketing, you have to re-engage people or your customer, those who have visited but did not converted. Then you have one more called as affiliate marketing. In place of affiliate marketing, the partners, like any YouTube partners or YouTube influencer or any doctor, whatever it might be, the partners promote your product and ask for the commissions. Okay, if they are promoting any product and services, whenever you set for commissions, they are comes under affiliate marketing. This is all about digital marketing. Now, hope you all understood. So this entire process is called as digital marketing ecosystem. If that understood, you type as yes in the chat box, or you ask me if you have doubts in this. My my next question is, why business needs digital marketing? So my simple question, does hospital need digital marketing? Does gym needs digital marketing? Does the restaurant needs the digital marketing? College needs digital marketing? Is that software company needs digital marketing? What do you say? So if I take every organization, when it is in the competition, okay, if it is competes for their attention, imagine every company or every organization, small company, medium company, large company, very large company, okay, any organization if you take, so there'll be a competes for attentions. In such case, digital marketing is going to help the businesses. How? It's very simple. To reach new customers, okay, and I have to build credibility, and I have to generate leads. I have to increase my sales, business sales. Then I have to improve customer retentions. Then I have to measure the results. Then I have to scale efficient. So these are the main reasons why I supposed to go for digital marketing. Sir, how my customer journey will get starts? Already I told you in the parallelly, like how you are going to connecting to the business. Okay, the visibility it matters for the customers. So if there is no visibility, means you have to run marketing strategies. You have a good result, like you have good infrastructure, everything, as I said in the beginning of this class. Okay, but if you not conduct that marketing connectivity or marketing activities, then it's a problem. Any doubts now? And I forgotten to mention one more here. It's called as AI marketing. Anybody knows about AI marketing? So till now, whatever I've told you, whatever the journey I've spoken, it's only about traditional marketing, then traditional marketing, then digital marketing. So now we are in latest platform, that is our AI marketing. So in place of AI marketing, already I told you some of them. If I want to increase my productivity, then I don't want to hire so many people. Okay, your business has to drive automatically, automation. Then in such case, I have to go for AI marketing. So AI marketing use of AI to improve your automations, to improve your marketing strategies and optimize the marketing activities instead of only on manual work or intuitions. AI is going to analyze the large amount of data to help you your business make that better decisions, personalize customer experiences, and improve campaign performance. So because of this reason, AI marketing is next, not now. So it is right now in your course you have only digital marketing with AI, but you are not learning AI marketing. Okay, once that AI marketing uh, gets updated in the field, then what happens? It's going to change. Like content creation is going to change, customer personalization is changing, chatbot and virtual assistants, then predictive analytics, okay, then email marketing, advertising optimization, market research. So something like this, AI marketing, AI market, it includes all the things. So AI marketing is a use of AI to improve, automate, and also optimize marketing activities instead of manual work and intuitions, and also AI analyze large amount of data, then it works. So large amount of data to help businesses make better marketing decisions and also personalize customer experiences, and it is to improve campaign performance. So what it includes? It includes number one, content creation, number two, customer personalization, number three, chatbots, means automation, and also virtual assistants, then email marketing automatically, then You have advertisement optimization, advertising. Then sixth one, if I take, is completely market research. So this is all about AI marketing. Might be asking, sir, what is the exact benefits now, and what are the challenges? So the important is the challenges. You have to take the challenges when you're looking for the upgradations. So have very high quality of data to be effective in the challenges AI marketing. Then it raises the privacy and also data security considerations. AI generate the content still needs human review for accuracy and also brand consistency. And also you have to initially you have to set up and integrate can require investments. So these are the challenges where you have in the AI marketing. The benefits wise, I can save the time by automating the repetitive task, improve that customer targeting and also personalization. I can increase that marketing efficiency and also return of investments. AI marketing is it's providing the data driven insights for the business decision making. It's going to scale marketing efforts with a less amount of time, like instead of manual work, it start working immediately. So AI marketing combines that AI, like artificial intelligence, with the marketing strategies. So whatever I said in the beginning, so those are called as marketing strategies. So to deliver the right messages to the right audience at the right place or right time, so more efficiently and effectively than the traditional methods alone. In such case, AI marketing is going to rule. Is that understand? So now if I want to review that entire thing, one is marketing. Marketing is process of identifying the customer needs, creating valuable product and services, communicating their values, deliver them to the customers, and building the long relationship while earning the profit. This is what marketing. Now, if I talk about traditional marketing, like whatever offline channels we have, we can use the promotional activities using offline channels. So still exist nowadays also still it exists, like newspapers, televisions, radio, magazines, posters, banners, then flyers, brochures, hoardings, business cards, door to door marketing, then trade shows, exhibition. So these are all comes under traditional marketing. So it uses again promoting their product and services using offline channels. So this is the latest one, as I said, digital marketing. So digital marketing is same thing again, promoting the product and services using internet and digital technologies. So internet and digital technology, using those technologies, internet and digital technologies, people are running their businesses in the online. It uses websites, search engine optimization, SEO, and then social media marketing, email marketing, mobile apps, and people online advertisements to reach the customers. Thus, it is a very simple one. We have to work on funnel. Okay, might have heard about that uh, funnel in the sales. What is exactly the funnel in the marketing? So people till today, people are working on funnel. It's called as marketing funnel. It's a visualization model. It's a journey of a person to take uh, it's nothing but a person takes from the uh, knowing about your product or businesses to becoming the loyal customers. It's completely, it's called as marketing funnel. So it is people enter at the top and also buying, like some customers becoming some customers at the bottom. So top positions to the bottom positions. Okay, think like a real like a funnel. Okay, so whenever you uh, try to put that in the real time, here you have a awareness. When you have a people, just it is, imagine it is many peoples, then I have to create awareness here. Then after creating awareness, you have to create interest. After the interest, you have to create a considerations. Then after the consideration, people has to purchase. Then once they purchases, then loyalty. Then you will get few customers. So this is one of the funnel. Then interest is one of the funnel. Consideration is one of the funnel. Then purchase is one of the funnel. Loyalty is one of the funnel. So now, why it is called as funnel? Okay, one example I'll be taking. Imagine when you have 10,000 peoples, 10,000 people see your advertisements. When people see your advertisements, only 2,000 people visit your website. When people visit 2,000 people visited your website, but 500 people shows only interest. Out of 500 peoples, you will be people are contacting you, 100 peoples. 100 peoples contact your business. Then but only 20 peoples makes the transactions or enroll in your course or in your business. So now what happens? So in this case, as many people move from one stage to another stage, the numbers are decreases, is called just like a funnel. Understood? As people move from one stage to the next stage, the number decreases, just like a funnel. Sir, you tell me, uh, in real time, how can I create an awareness? How do I discover people? Is the challenges, right? So how can I use this? How can I launch my digital marketing course for NICT computer education? If I want to launch, or if I want to bring some students to digital marketing course, then first the stage one is to what? You have to create awareness. Means people first discover your institute. If you are running your own institute, then people will be discovering. So then, in which way people are going to discover? Number one, Google search. Number 2, Facebook. Number 3, Instagram. Then YouTube. Then WhatsApp. Then word of mouth. So something like this. So this activities is called awareness. So for example, Rahul search best digital marketing course in Bangalore. So he finds your website, then it's called as awareness. Then what is the stage 2? The stage 2 is your interest. So once the Rahul start learning more, then he will visit your website, then he reads course details, then he will watch demo videos, then he will check student reviews, then he will view course fees. So this activities represents what? Interest. Now come to the stage 3. What is the stage 3 is consideration. In the consideration part, Rahul is going to compare the institute with others. It's important, right? So compares your brand with others. And what he will do, he checks for course syllabus, then trainers, then placements, then reviews, then fees, then certifications, then demo class. So something like this. Then finally he is not he is decided or deciding whether to join. Got it? Now come to the stage 4. It's called purchase. Purchase is nothing but conversion. You have to make them to purchase your product. Means Rahul calls to your institute or your brand. He will attend a one demo class. When he attend one demo class, then he pays the course fees. Anybody is unmuted here? Okay. So he pays the fees and he becomes your customer. This is called conversion. Then stage 5 is what? Loyalty. So in the loyalty place, Rahul gives 5-star rating or 5-star review after the service, and he recommends your brand to friends, then he joins other course and he will share your videos and he will become repeat customers, becomes a repeated customers. So this is what loyalty. Okay, sir, you make this little bit. This is whatever I have done, whatever I explained you. This is what practically one by one by one. So the stages. Okay, but in the marketing area, people will study like AIDA, AIDA funnel. Okay, A means awareness, then interest, then desire, then action. So action is to take place of admission. Okay, so take actions. Then here wants to know your product, then interest, wants to learn more, then awareness, it knows your business. Just it is a funnel. But modern funnel, whatever I have done, so this is a modern funnel up to the loyalty and advocacy. So like once the customers becomes your promoter, then he will create. That is a stage 6, advocacy. It means a satisfied customer becomes your promoter. He will write reviews and he will refer friends and he will share social media post. So something like this means he is trying to recommend your business. So this all about modern funnel, like a latest modern funnel. And there will be a one more like AI marketing funnels also. So that we will discuss in the next upcoming class. In the place of AI marketing funnel, it's not include like this. So like customers visit your website, AI will track the behavior, AI will understand that interest, AI will show the personalized content, AI start uh, answering the questions, and AI itself is going to send follow-ups, everything, and customers will get the enrollment, or they'll try to taking the courses, and finally AI will request the review. So something like this, the funnel is going to work. So it's called as AI marketing funnel. So here AI makes each stage smarter and more personalized. But here whatever I have explained you now, this digital marketing or modern funnel, this is, I can name it as modern funnel. So before you start digital marketing, please aware of this. How you have to travel or how you have to drive this particular area. Especially it's already running in the real time. So that you have to see how it is to be done. One practical example I will show you. If I go for google.com, then if I search near me digital marketing course, press enter key. So you can see what is this sponsored result. The sponsored result, digital 360, like digital academy 360, blue tick academy, these two are in the top position. This is what people paying the money and they are getting the first place based on this keyword. Okay, next, if I scroll down, look at this. You have uh, sponsored links. This is also advertisements. Okay, and if I come down, look at this. If I click for BDM, so it is redirecting their map. Okay, so look at this. Look at this. Look at this. So if I scroll down in the bottom, you have so many links and uh, informations. This entire page is called as SERP page. SERP, search engine result page. If I start one youtube.com and if I play one video, so look at this. This is one of the video advertisements, okay, in the YouTube platform. Now if I click one of this area, like the link it's already given, okay, so now if I click, it is redirecting to their websites. Got it? So here you have a forms, means you have to fill up full name, mobile number, so on so on, then you have to apply. So this is video advertisements where YouTube platforms are going to take the leads, and here keywords are taking the leads. Okay, based on the keywords, you have to bring your brand in the top position. And one more will be there. It's saying that Times of India. If I open, and you can see in the right hand side some of the ads are running here. Look at this. So left hand side and right hand side, you can scroll down, and if I click one of this link advertisements, so it's taking us to their website. It means this is called as display advertisements or display ads. This is YouTube ads, video ads. This is search ads. So please remember here, so using some keywords, so whatever I'm searching, and based on that I'm getting the result. So it is search ads, this would be the display ads, this would be the video ads. Hope you all understood. But wherever you are clicking, then it is redirecting to their websites and asking them finally to collect the information. Hope you all understood. If that understood, you type as yes in the chat box. So tomorrow we will connect by 6 o'clock. So again, I'm putting reminder. 6 to 7:30 is our class. So be ready and try to connect with 5 minutes early and make them to engage. So see you in the next class. If you have any queries, so you ask me, I will share that entire notes in the WhatsApp group. So before leaving, if you have any queries, you ask me. Okay then, so see you in the next class tomorrow by 6 o'clock. So don't